Log in to your Velpid portal. Go to the Manage tab, then into Lessons. Look for the COVID-19 lesson. Click on the lesson name. Go to the Automatic Schedule tab. Click New User Rule and change whatever settings you require. Once you are happy, click Save. This lesson will now be scheduled to any new starter. You will now need to add your employees into the portal. You can add them individually for one person, or you can add more by using a CSV upload. Click the Import button. This takes you to the Import wizard. Choose what actions you want to do with the import. Match up the columns and press Save. Your employees are imported easily into the portal, and each will receive an email with a link to the portal and their username. When they use the email link, create their own password, they can now complete the COVID-19 lesson.